money. That's what it is to me. And now, Sebastian Morton, who is the hardcore champion, and look at him, he's assaulting security. Sebastian Morton just hit Sebastian Morton with a chair. And now security now escorting Morton to the back, trying to get this match on the Bulldozer's back on top. And look at Bulldozer here. Bulldozer, big time Bulldog, there to Eragon. And now the cover 1, 2. Oh, and a 2 count. That was free, man. Come on. That was a near fall. A 2 count only. And now Bulldozer has got a suplex. A beautiful textbook suplex. There. Oh, now a big splash. 1, 2. Wait a minute. His foot is on. Come on. Kid Parker tried to inform the referee that Eragon II's foot was on the rope. And now Bulldozer with a choke. And the referee trying to get Bulldozer to break the choke. And now Bulldozer arguing with the referee. Look fair to me. It didn't look fair to me. And now he's got him up against the top. Up against the top rope. Come on, man. Now the referee trying to make that man. And now Eragon climbing up ahead full of steam. He's building momentum. Bulldozer will win this match. That's a guarantee. Well, that's your opinion again, and it doesn't matter. Wait a minute. Sebastian Morton going back down to the ring. I thought he said he had to use the bathroom. And now, I don't see him. And now Sebastian Morton and Kid Parker fighting outside the ring here. Everybody just pay attention to what's going on inside the ring. Well, you can't help what you're seeing here. Kid Parker and Sebastian Morton on the outside fighting here. And look out, Bulldozer now. Bulldozer, Bulldozer with the Bronco Buster.